Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, we're gonna be at Foon Restaurant. Foon. I don't even know how to pronounce it. But anyways, I'm here with Ada right now. First time on the vlog, but we're gonna be meeting up with others. See how it goes. Hold on. Let's go back to the beginning of the day.
I really like B-roll. Watch the one that I told you about. He's really good.
What?
He's really good.
Yeah?
Stop.
What's her name?
It's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Bang.
Julie and Grad.
You get it! Go get it! We're too loud, It's way too hot.
It's way too hot and I'm blind right now.
You can't even see.
I cannot see. Like,
Where
I can't
is
see
Julianne?
at all. Like, I lost my contacts, guys.
She literally blinked out her contacts. She can't even run. There he goes. There he goes. Congrats.
Thank you. I got five.
Where did he go?
Yo, Esther and Paula are gonna kill me. And I was about to give it. Yeah, I did.
Drama is good for the vlog.
Guys, you should have not trusted me with that.
Oh, it's okay. The five words.
Yeah.
He was like, wow, I wish my family was as enthusiastic as yours at home. And I was like, hey. Stop.
It's better like this.
Perfect for the
Oh
vlog.
my god, it feels so good. Guys, it feels really
We
good.
can switch, but I think we're smaller.
Oh my god, it's like a freaking massage right now. Stop. It's so annoying.
No, Julianne's face was priceless. We're at this restaurant today. I'm here with John. Hey John. The rest of the gang. Here's Ada, then there's Patty, Annie, Adam. The two lovebirds at the end. Look at that. There's these dishes right over here that come around in a boat on water. Different plates have different prices on it. So for example, this plate, $3. That plate, $3.50. This plate, $4, $4.75. $5, $6, and the plate that you don't want to touch. This is what $18 gets you.
Yo, just take my wallet, man.
Okay, pass your wallet. Pass your wallet.
Here we go. Yeah, just
Pass
keep
your
the
wallet.
wallet,
See,
yo.
this is what happens. You get this wallet and go. Interesting.
It had this weird slimy-ish thing.
It's like a slimy, but then there's a crunch.
It's like half cooked but not cooked, but it's like extra stringy. Like green onion.
It literally gets stuck in like your gum and you gotta remove it. You know?
Okay, nothing.
I don't know. Good.
It's good though, it has good flavor.
Interesting. Oh, thanks.
That's actually really good.
Would you like one?
Pickles that yo.
I stole this from Patty. You snooze, you lose. Technically, I snooze. And she lost.
Look over here. Here, have some water. Have some water.
Sorry, Patty.
My life is ruined.
I'm okay, I have 2 already.
Yeah, one buck to her.
But it's the one that I stole from Patty.
Ooh, yo, one more though.
One more dough.
Send it back around. Send it back around. Send it back around. Send it around.
Oh shit, my bad, Andrew.
Don't worry, next round. Next round, don't worry.
Thank you, thank you. Come on, send it by boat. Wait, free shipping?
Yeah, through all things. It takes, a minute.
Express shipping. Express shipping. Express. Hey, Andrew.
Not good, but I have one.
Stack the plates.
Well, where are we stacking the plates?
Stack the plates. No, stack the plates. Stack all the plates.
No. This one, she would leave.
I'll just leave, yeah. Don't worry, I'll save her and then I'll just take one plate and put it away. You
No.
can serve it.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah?
No.
That's what sisters are for.
No.
What do you mean?
So this is a...
You were ready for that one. No, you got attacked. You got attacked.
So that? What the hell is shoe pong? What the hell is shoe pong, guys?
I don't know shoe pong. Yo, maybe it's free parking.
What is shoe pong? I guess we're getting out of here. Don't make me. You want me to squeeze you? You're gonna cry if I do.
I will cry.
You will. Yo, we need some strawberries.
I got the hookups. What else do you need? We spent a good 10 minutes talking about fruit and how to eat a mango. We're going home now. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Alright, I didn't mean bye, guys. Bye.
I can't stay.